Okay, let's start the class. This is for paper 2. So now the paper 2, as you know, which is talking about law, and it talk today as a lesson 1 for legislation and court system. So as you know, there will be either two, if you're lucky, you get 2 questions on this topic, or you can get at least 1 question on this topic. Sure one. So what I'm saying is, if you are concentrating on the law 5 session that we have, the 5 classes that we have, this one will be able to give you to answer 2 or 1 potential question that comes out in the exam. Just now the accounting one, also my son told you, you can actually target almost 1.5 question that will come out in the exam. And for this paper, you need how many questions to pass? Actually, you need only 3 questions to pass, because the question given to you to choose 8 questions, you only answer 5, right? So if you can choose 3 questions, you can do well, you can pass already. Betul? So this is the way the strategy. So now the thing is, legislation and the court system, they are together in all law books and also in all legal classes. That means you go for a legal training or you go to a law school, this will be the first chapter. To introduce you what is a law-related system. Okay, so our analysis from 2009 until 2019, all these square-looking thing, boxes, are all the same type of topic. You can imagine written, unwritten law, common law in Malaysia, common law as source of law, and meaning of what is common law. Again, repeated 2011, source of Malaysian law. And then here also say, the doctrine of separation of power, civil jurisdiction of lower and higher courts. Right? You see, one examination, already 2 questions. Alright, here in 2013, superior versus subordinate court. Okay, in 2014, source of written and unwritten law, and then hierarchy of courts and civil court. Right? 2015, unwritten law and subordinate courts. You see, sometimes you'll be 1 question, but asking 2 things. One is a court system, another one is legislation. Okay? So this one is to give you a picture and repeated here. So in 2019, you see 2 questions, source of Malaysian law, 1 question. Second question is structure and function of legislation. So this becomes 2 questions already that comes out. If you target this topic well, for this particular today's session, then we can answer 2 out of 5 questions. Okay? Alright, so we have the context here in the syllabus. You need to answer 5 out of 8, and then 20 marks each. This one you all know already. The target topic, as you can see, legislation, subsidiary legislation, and the court system. So this is in the syllabus, which is machinery of government, the separation of power, the legislature, the executive, the organization of courts and jurisdiction, the doctrine of ultra virus. So this whole paragraph can come out 2 questions in the syllabus, right? So let's just continue. We continue here today's topic. 2 questions for 1, source of Malaysian law. Okay. Second, structure and function of legislation. Third, we talk about the hierarchy of courts in Malaysia. Okay. So before I go in, anyone can start talking about what these 3 topics are about.